Hi, I'm Lou, and today we're going to put side view mirrors on a Polaris RZR. They come in a box like this, and I'll put a product link in the description below. They come with these Allen wrenches you'll need to install them. The only other tools you'll need is either a 1/2 inch open end or socket. They're exactly the right size to clamp on your front post, and tighten it down with a 3/16 Allen wrench. Adjust this tilt where you want it, then tighten this down with a 5/32 Allen wrench. Adjust this angle, and tighten this with a 1/2 inch socket. Lastly, press on the mirror until you see the road behind you. Same on the other side, and the entire install took about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.